pothole. It's the link road. Disintegrated. Another road. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, watch yourself there. Yeah, cool. God, they're right. Look at that. Pretty shocking. It looks as if it's had a bit of a clean on the side. So famous last words is rubbish there, look at that. Just missed some potholes there. Hitting a deep pothole is not what you want to do, and you don't want to be dodging them either. So this road does need a lot of attention, and the side of it needs cleaning as well. The thing is, this is people's first sight of Cardiff. They turn off, look at it, there's rubbish there. They turn off the motorway, get onto this road, and look at it. Rubbish left there, potholes everywhere. It's really not good. This road is owned by the Welsh Government. I think it should be called Ffordd Owain Glyndŵr, or Owain Glyndŵr Way, or something like that, because it heads towards the Welsh Parliament. Bit of history, the first ever Parliament in Wales was put in place by Owain Glyndŵr, a revolutionary in the 15th century, led the Welsh rebellion against the English. Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Look at these! Look at that! Dear me! Dear me! So we were able to avoid those, thankfully. Another one there. Pretty weird going down this road at speed and having to weave in and out of potholes. It's dangerous, very, very dangerous. There, more. So on the left is the Cardiff City Stadium. Turn off, and there's another pothole there. Wow, and another one. I'm not sure how well you can see from this camera. It's only my telephone, but there's a lot of damage there. God. This is bad. I'd love to know who put this down, this road. It's breaking up. And as I said, this is not the kind of road you want to break up on. Pretty smooth here, looking at it. What they should do is resurface this. Ideally on a Saturday night going into Sunday, possibly, or a quiet time in the summer. This needs resurfacing, and those holes have got to be fixed. No holes here, not too bad. Oh, there, look. God. Dear me, dear me. Yeah, somebody wrote to me and said they weave in and out the potholes along here and how dangerous it was. I can see why now. I can see why they said that. I've not driven down here for a while. I'm trying to avoid driving, to be honest. I don't like driving. I'm not actually driving now. Okay, I think we've made the point. We're turning off now, heading into Grangestone.